Yo, it's Shades, word up. This the market master plan. Stop chasing tickers like a bunny, understand? The bottom's buying strategy is how you get the gains. Read the charts and learn to recognize the simple patterns. No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it's happening. Aitx, it is here, it is real. It is pumping. It is up 400% from low of 2 cents. So the last video I made, I told you guys, hey, if the share structure is not going to be as bad anymore, then this thing can pump. It'll get some nice pumps again like it used to. And here we are. So my theory was correct. I did not jump in mainly because I just wasn't paying attention. I was mainly paying attention to SPY puts and hedging with what is it, PSQ? PSQ is just if the market tanks, PSQ goes up. It's just the inverse. So I've been just positioning myself for downside because the market looks like it's ready to tank lower. So that's what I've been doing. I haven't been focused on, on penny stocks, right? I really don't talk about, we started this channel on Aitx, and I'm still going to call it Aitx. Why did they add the D? I made a bad joke. I'm like, Aitx D for dick, but I don't know. I don't know why they added that. Aitx is dead. It died off. It's just dead. It's dead. It's at 0002. Wow. And at least Aitx here is going to be worth trading again. So Aitx, I know as soon as I say, this can go 100% from bottom, wherever it decides to find a bottom. Right? Trucker Jeff, what do you think?
100% you say? I all in! Woo!
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. He is all in, 100% return. He is there. If Aitx does bottom out, I think it's time to buy, right? We've been through this before. We know this stock like the back of our hand. We walked away from it because the writing was on the wall. We knew it was going to tank at some point. And we knew that the share structure was getting so bloated, this thing was just never going to get a big pop. But hey, here we are again. Sometimes it's time to come back, right? Sometimes your favorite stock, it dies off and then it comes back to life. Civil stock is a great example of that. Civil stock is the perfect example of that. Got that CE designation and came back to life anyways. So here we are again. I know people are gonna, by the way, I know what people are thinking right now. They're thinking, Shades, it's gonna go to the moon, it's gonna go to $1. It's never going to come back down, ever again. I've heard that already millions of times, so yeah, no. No. I don't think it's going to go up forever. It's going to come back down, and it's going to find a bottom. I'm showing you the past. In the past, what did it do? Right, it found a bottom down here, and then it would pump, come back to the bottom, pump again, come back to the bottom, pump again, rinse and repeat, right? So when this thing bottoms out, it's a good opportunity to buy the bottom, buy near the low, set a stop loss under the low, and rinse and repeat. Just take profit every time this thing comes. If I recall correctly, this stock likes to drop. They like to drop like 100. I think if I recall, they drop like 100 plus PRs every year, and out of 100 plus PRs, maybe 4 of them causes the share price to move. So this penny stock can move 50 to 100% pretty easily when it has the share structure behind it, because they just communicate so often and drop so much news. So there's potential every year for at least 4 big pumps. And again, after every big pump, what happens? It's a penny stock. It's pumping up. What happens after every pump? It dumps, right? Dumps. So the only thing I would say is I would not chase, right? We don't do that. We're not stupid, right? We used to be stupid. We would chase. Remember when I chased Sybil at 6.5 cents? Because I was an idiot. You remember that? I was like, woo, I'm gonna chase at 6.5 cents because it's going to $1. Woo, yeah. Boy, am I stupid, right? Well, we're not there anymore. This is 2026. I was about to say 2025. This is 2026. We're better traders now. We are superior to the versions of ourselves from 2020 and 2021. So don't chase. Let it come down. It will come down, and we will see where it'll show us where the bottom is, and we will start buying and flipping, and it'll be nice. It's basically like simple now. I'm assuming the share structure got better. I don't know for a fact. I have not done my due diligence. I'm gonna have to do my due diligence all over again because I basically don't know Aitx anymore. It's been, I used to make videos all the time, but yeah, I don't. Trying to figure out. Let's see if I can. Wait, no. Let me go to Twitter. Is the Discord up again? Yeah, I take Discord. Because I know they took it down. Because I was always spying on them, seeing how they feel. I don't think the Aitx Discord is up anymore. I think they took that down. I don't see it. But yeah, Twitter. Let's check Twitter and let's look at Steve Reinharz. Steve Reinharz. I'm still following him on Twitter, funny enough. Let's switch on over to oh, that is all kinds of messed up. Make some adjustments here. Boom, there we go. Alright, so Steve Reinharz, let's see what's been going on here. I have not been keeping track of this. Red books 5 real units. 5 real units. Yeah, that's not a lot. I think they're still doing the same thing. Every time they get even one order, they talk about it. More sales, we don't release them all, but this one is a fun one. 10 real mini units with Sarah license release. Oh wow, this is an interesting article. So, yeah, I am so behind on the Aitx news. I have not been keeping track of it. Yeah, this is true. I also wake up and look at my computer and go back to that. That's basically we're just the machine does that. Not very good ones either. But let's see, Aitx update authorized share increase canceled. Capital structure agreement with the D means. Haha, what the D means. Come on, guys. There's no way you don't want to laugh about what the D means. Aitx about section. Wow, let me look at the FAQ, man. They updated the website. It looks nicer. Back then it looked okay, but this looks better. Contact Aitx investors. What the D means? Please tell me what the D means. Man, did he lose weight? Or did he always look that skinny? I swear he was heavier. I don't remember that. Did he lose weight? I don't know. Someone tell me. I can't. But I guess maybe because I haven't looked at Reinharz in a long time. I don't remember. Looks like he lost weight. Aitx has canceled the previously authorized share increase following position of reverse split. Possible reduction in authorized shares. What's the share structure? Aitx OTC markets. I hope it's still in OTC markets, no? Yeah, you're basically watching me do diligence all over again because I just don't know this stock. I don't know it anymore. It's kind of funny how when you don't keep track of it daily, you just don't know. What is this? Security details is where I have to go. Yeah, the share structure. Well, the authorized shares have stayed the same, I guess. 27 ridiculous. Yeah, the float. What's the float? The outstanding shares is 274 million. Yeah, I think that's lower. That's lower than Sybil now. So it makes sense. This thing can pump now. I'm sure they're still gonna dilute like a crazy amount, but this is nice. This should make for, because they constantly communicate, this should make for a great trading opportunity again. Then once the share structure becomes overly bloated, then you don't touch it until they reverse split again, I guess is really what I'm saying. Frequently asked questions. I have not looked at the financials. I'm not going to look at it right now. Okay, there's nothing too interesting. Let's see the shareholder meeting product reviews. That's it. Is there a presentation here? I'm looking for a presentation. Usually people have a presentation. I guess not. No presentation. Quarterly disclosure, other documents and events. Unless this is the presentation from 2025. Okay. I mean, all we needed to know was what does the share structure look like? Where is the bottom going to be? And we just start buying. And again, do not chase. If you've been around, you know not to chase. You would be pretty dumb to chase. I don't know why people would chase. That doesn't make sense. Hey guys, I like buying high, hoping it goes higher. Screw buying low, selling high. That strategy, screw that. That doesn't make sense at all. That doesn't make sense at all. Buy low, sell high, guys. So, I think Sebluke asked me just like literally, he's like, hey, what's going on with this stock? And I'm like, I'm just gonna tell him don't worry about it. It doesn't matter since he's in Canada, and if he tries to trade penny stocks, he gets like taxed 50% or something ridiculous. Like if he trades penny stock, apparently if you trade penny stocks in Canada, there's like a 60% tax on penny stock trading or something ridiculous. I don't know, I could be wrong, but it's so dumb and ridiculous that you get screwed over like that. So Aitx, I think I saw Steve Reinharz arguing on Twitter, but I'm not gonna address that. I don't know why he argues with people on Twitter. Like sometimes people will try to argue with me on Twitter, and I just block them. I'm not gonna, negativity. You control whether you allow it into your life. So you just block them and move on. Just keep your life simple, So I'm not gonna address that. Because I have seen him like arguing on Twitter with people. But other than that, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, we'll go over the financials in another video. I'm gonna start making videos on this again. It looks good. That share structure coming down like that is awesome. I believe it has a lower share structure now than Sybil. So this should be able to get some really good bumps. I mean, it went from 2 cents to 10 cents, so 500% nearly. So that's not surprising. This is going to be another good opportunity to trade this bad. Don't trade penny stocks if you're too scared. Please don't. And don't trade penny stocks if you don't have the discipline to take losses. And don't trade penny stocks if you can't handle some red. So yeah, Trucker Jeff, do you think Aitx is bueno or no bueno here? What are you thinking now after all this due diligence? Or are you still going to stick to the 100%?
I all in! Woo! Shades, patience, trading, yo, the method is divine. Paying all my bills off on the market's own dime. No chasing hot stocks, no flipping like a bunny. Just discipline, execution for the steady money. Peep the purple line, that's the magnet for the buying. Bottoms buying strategy, no more long-term crying. Master all the patterns that are abusable for profit. Got 3 separate accounts just to stack it in my pocket. My cats Wolfie and Tangy helped me write this master plan. A simple strategy manual for the everyday man.